You can eat perfectly healthy. Take your supplements every single day. Even exercise regularly, and still be losing muscle every single night. That's right. While you think your body is resting, it may actually be breaking itself down, silently, gradually, and faster than you realize. And if you're over 45, this process accelerates: muscle loss, weakness, slower metabolism, stiff joints. It doesn't just happen during the day, it happens most aggressively while you sleep. But here's the part no one tells you: your body is also programmed to rebuild muscle during sleep, more effectively than at any other time of the day. The problem: most people unknowingly shut down this natural repair system with one simple nighttime mistake. In just a moment, I'm going to show you a powerful nighttime ritual, backed by science, that can help your body rebuild muscle, restore strength, and even improve recovery while you sleep. And I'll reveal 2 critical nutrients your body desperately needs at night. But most people take them at the wrong time, or not at all. As we age, our bodies stop responding the same way they used to. What worked in your 30s, whether it was exercise, diet, or even sleep, simply doesn't deliver the same results after 50. Muscle mass naturally declines, recovery slows, and your body becomes less efficient at repairing itself. But what if the key to reversing that decline isn't doing more during the day, but doing the right things at night? Here's what most people don't realize: your body enters a fasting state while you sleep. For 6, 7, sometimes 8 hours, your body receives no nutrients, and when that happens, your system has to make a choice: does it preserve muscle, or break it down for energy? Unfortunately, especially after age 45, your body often chooses breakdown. This is why many people wake up feeling weaker, tighter, even slightly sore without explanation. It's not just aging, it's nighttime muscle catabolism, your body literally feeding on itself. Powerful strategies, simple, effective, and often overlooked. First, slow digesting protein before bed. Not all protein works the same way. Fast digesting proteins, like whey, are excellent during the day, but at night, they're gone too quickly. What your body needs is a steady release of amino acids throughout the night. That's where casein protein comes in. Casein digests slowly, providing your muscles with a constant supply of building blocks for hours. This keeps your body in an anabolic, or muscle building, state instead of a breakdown state. The best time to take it: about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Common mistake: people either skip protein at night completely, or they eat heavy meals that disrupt sleep. The goal is light, targeted nutrition, not overeating. Second, magnesium for deep recovery. Magnesium is one of the most underrated minerals for muscle repair. It helps relax muscles, improve sleep quality, and support over 300 biochemical reactions in the body. But here's the key: magnesium also plays a role in protein synthesis and muscle function. Without enough magnesium, your body struggles to fully relax and repair during sleep. Take it about 1 hour before bed. Forms like magnesium glycinate or citrate are often better absorbed and gentler on the stomach. Common mistake: taking magnesium randomly during the day, or not taking it consistently at all. Third, the overlooked power of nighttime movement. Now this might surprise you: a short, gentle movement routine before bed can actually enhance muscle recovery, not harm it. We're not talking about intense workouts, we're talking about light stretching, mobility work, or even a slow walk. This improves blood flow to muscles, delivering nutrients exactly where they're needed. It also reduces stiffness and prepares your body for deeper, more restorative sleep. Common mistake: people either do nothing at all, or they exercise too intensely, too close to bedtime, which disrupts sleep cycles. When you combine these 3 elements, slow protein, proper mineral support, and gentle movement, you create the perfect internal environment for overnight muscle repair. Your body doesn't just rest, it rebuilds. Now this is where most people go wrong, and unknowingly sabotage their progress. First mistake: going to bed undernourished. Skipping nighttime nutrition might seem harmless, but it forces your body into breakdown mode. Over time, this accelerates muscle loss. Second mistake: alcohol before bed. Even small amounts of alcohol can suppress growth hormone release and disrupt deep sleep. That means less recovery, less repair, and more fatigue the next day. Third mistake: poor sleep environment. Too much light, Too much noise. Irregular sleep schedules. All of these interfere with deep sleep, the phase where muscle rebuilding actually happens. Without deep sleep, even the best nutrition won't fully work, so let's bring it all together. If you want your body to rebuild muscle while you sleep, you need to give it three things: the right fuel, the right support, and the right conditions: a slow-digesting protein before bed, magnesium to enhance recovery and relaxation, and light movement to improve circulation and sleep quality. Avoid going to bed on empty, limit alcohol, and protect your sleep environment. Here's a bonus tip most people overlook: keep your bedroom slightly cooler than you think. Cooler temperatures have been shown to enhance sleep depth, which directly impacts muscle recovery. Sometimes, small adjustments create the biggest results. Now I want to hear from you. Which part of your nighttime routine have you been getting wrong? Are you skipping protein? Taking supplements at the wrong time? Tell me in the comments below. And if you think this is powerful, wait until you see what happens when you combine this ritual with the one morning habit that activates muscle growth all day long. In the next video, I'll reveal the simple morning trigger that can double your muscle building potential, without extra workouts. Make sure you don't miss it. Subscribe for more.